All of you sons of bitches who want off, get the hell off now, because this is the last stop.
Hey, we don't use that kind of language in this house. 2-hour timeout, go. Alright, your 2-hour timeout is up. You can come upstairs and play with your train now. Come on.
For those of you who are just boarding, we ask you to stow all of your hand luggage under your seat. For those of you who are pissed off about the 2-hour delay, please see the bitch in the kitchen.
Bitch in the kitchen.